Despite having the same temperature, why does 5 liters of boiling water have more heat energy than 1 liter? Heat energy is an extensive property that depends on the total kinetic energy of all particles in a substance. Since 5 liters of water has more mass and thus more molecules than 1 liter, its total internal energy is greater at the same temperature. Why is it important to conserve water? Water conservation is essential to maintain the delicate ecological balance of the planet and ensure that the limited supply of fresh water remains available for future generations. Since only about 1% of Earth's water is fresh and accessible, protecting this resource is vital for food security and health. What happens to water vapor to form tiny droplets? Condensation is the process where water vapor loses heat energy and transforms back into liquid water droplets. This phase change is a critical step in the water cycle, leading to cloud formation and precipitation. What is the mass ratio of hydrogen to oxygen in water? Water, H2O, consists of 2 hydrogen atoms with an atomic mass of 1 each and 1 oxygen atom with an atomic mass of 16, resulting in a mass ratio of 2:16. This simplifies to 1:8, consistent with the law of constant proportions which states elements are always present in definite proportions by mass. What happens to the total amount of water on Earth due to the continuous cycling? The total amount of water on Earth remains constant because the water cycle is a closed system where water only changes its physical state. While water moves between the atmosphere, oceans, and land, the total mass of water molecules remains stable over geological timescales. The idea that water increases is incorrect as Earth does not receive significant water from outer space. While fluctuations do not occur because the cycle of evaporation and precipitation is balanced globally. The total volume does not decrease, though the availability of clean freshwater may change due to pollution or usage. Why does water taste sweet when sugar is dissolved in it? Sugar tastes sweet in water because the sugar molecules break apart and occupy the intermolecular spaces between the water particles. This physical process demonstrates that matter is made of particles with spaces between them. What is one type of place where water is found as ice? High-altitude mountains host glaciers and permanent snow caps where water is stored in a solid state due to consistently low temperatures. This frozen water acts as a vital freshwater reservoir that feeds perennial rivers during the melting season. What is the paste of cement and sand mixed with water called? Mortar is a workable paste used in masonry to bind building blocks such as stones, bricks, and concrete masonry units together. It is distinct from concrete because it does not contain the coarse aggregate, such as gravel, found in concrete. Gypsum is a soft sulfate mineral used in plaster and wallboard, not a mixture of cement and sand. Plaster is a building material used for protective or decorative coating of walls and ceilings, often made from gypsum or lime. Concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, water, and coarse aggregates like gravel or crushed stone. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.